Next, we will move on to the main part, that is campaign creation. So to create a new campaign, you have to go to create a new campaign in campaign from dashboard. So it will take you to a new window where you can see some field like campaign name, tag, client name, center name, subject line, and a space for HTML creative. So first one is campaign name. Here you have to provide the name for your campaign. For example, I'll provide like demo campaign. Second field is campaign tag. Here you can provide a tag for your campaign, that is, it completely depends on what type of campaign you are creating. For example, tag differs like BFSI, commercial, service, education, etc. So completely depending upon your campaign, you have to provide a tag here. I'll provide as BFSI. So next field is client name. So from the drop down list, you can select a client who provided you with the campaign. Next one is sender name. Here you can provide a sender name for your campaign. For example, I'll provide email marketing. Next is subject. Here you have to provide a subject line for your campaign. I'll provide as email marketing, simple steps. In HTML content, you can provide the creative which you have. So while clicking on the source, you can see a code. This is an inbuilt default code present in this panel. So before you paste your creative, you have to delete this. So just selecting and deleting this code and then pasting your code, your creative which you have. So while pasting and then clicking on the source, you can see your creative is here. So the campaign creation part is now over. The next part is campaign testing. So in the send text box, you can have a pre-test of your campaign at your end. So campaign testing is done to ensure whether your mail lands in inbox or spam, and also you can make any corrections if needed. So for that, here I'll set an email ID and we'll click on send test. So now you can check your mail, you can view your campaign, make necessary changes if needed, and also can ensure whether your campaign landed in spam or inbox. So the next part is campaign sending. For that, you have to select a list from here. I'm selecting demo list, and also you can provide some advanced options like send to only openers, only clickers, never openers, never clickers, etc. And also you can provide some limit also, like send to only 1000 users, etc. And you can select a suppression list if necessary. And the scheduling option is for to schedule a campaign for a later time and date. So you can select a date from here, and you can also select a time. Or else you can send your campaign now itself and click on publish to world. So we'll move on to manage campaigns. So in manage campaigns, you can have a detailed view on your campaigns. Here you can see the campaign ID, which is unique for each campaign. You can see your campaign name, the subject line which you had created, the created date and time, the scheduled date and time, that is when the campaign is sent, and who had created the campaign. And also here are some further advanced options, like you can have a detailed view on your campaign. You can test your campaign from here. You can edit your campaign for further changes. You can copy your campaign, and also you can delete your campaign.